Welcome to Math Contest Drills for Filipino Kids. This time let us have Grade 7 Average Round. In the average round, participants are allowed to use scratch paper. Each item must be answered in 30 seconds. The answer must be written on an answer sheet before the time expires. Before we continue, please subscribe for more math contest drills for Filipino Kids videos. Question number 1. A salesman has a basic salary of 15,000 pesos and a commission of 3% on all sales above 50,000 pesos. What will his total sales in a month be when his salary is 17,700 pesos? Again, a salesman has a basic salary of 15,000 pesos and a commission of 3% on all sales above 50,000 pesos. What will his total sales in a month be when his salary is 17,700 pesos? Go! Time is up. The answer is 140,000 pesos. Question number 2. If x plus y equals 11 and xy equals 15, find the value of x squared plus y squared. Again, if x plus y equals 11 and xy equals 15, find the value of x squared plus y squared. Go! Time is up. The answer is 91. Question number 3. In a party, 18 people ordered a 105 peso meal. If 4 of them forgot to bring money and those who brought money shared the bill equally, how much did each pay extra? Again, in a party, 18 people ordered a 105 peso meal. If 4 of them forgot to bring money and those who brought money shared the bill equally, how much did each pay extra? Go! Time is up. The answer is 30 pesos. Question number 4. Solve V is equal to the square root of GD times the quantity 1 plus 3H over D for G in terms of the other variables. Again, solve V is equal to the square root of GD times quantity 1 plus 3H over D for G in terms of the other variables. Go! Time is up. The answer is G equals V squared all over D plus 3H. Last question for this round. Question number 5. What positive integral values of x satisfy 2x plus 3 is less than 12? Again, what positive integral values of x satisfy 2x plus 3 is less than 12? Go! Time is up. The answer is the set 1, 2, 3, 4. At this point, let us show the solution to the 30-second questions. Question number 1. We let T be the total sales. Then we will have 15,000 pesos plus T minus 50,000 because the salesman gets the commission above 50,000 peso sales, multiplied by 3%, that is 0.03, and the total income will be 17,700. We subtract 15,000 from both sides of the equation. Then we will have T minus 50,000 times 3% equals 17,700 minus 15,000, that is 2,700 pesos. Then we divide both sides by 3%, so we will have T minus 50,000. 2,700 divided by 3%, we will get 90,000 pesos. And then we add 50,000 to both sides of the equation. The total sales, therefore, is 90,000 plus 50,000. That is 140,000 pesos. Question number 2. Let us begin by squaring both sides in the equation x plus y equals 11. If we square both sides, we will have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared is equal to 121. We know that xy is equal to 15. If we multiply both sides of this equation, we will have 2xy is equal to 30. And then we will subtract the result to the first equation. That will be minus 2xy equals 30. Subtracting term-wise, we will get x squared plus y squared equals 121 minus 30, that is 91. Question number 3. In a party, 18 people ordered 105 peso meal. So that means the total amount to be paid is 18 times 105 pesos. 4 of the people forgot to bring their money, so this will be equally shared by 18 minus 4, that's 14 people. So we can do cancellation. 18 and 14 can be divided by 2, so we will have 18 divided by 2 is 9. 14 divided by 2, that will be 7. And then we have 105 over 7 can be simplified as 105 divided by 7 is 15. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So we just have 9 times 15, that is 135. Each person is supposed to pay 105 pesos. So each of the 14 people paid an extra amount of 135 minus 105, that is 30 pesos. Number 4. We begin by squaring both sides of this equation. So we will have b squared is equal to gd times the quantity 1 plus 3h over d. And then we divide both sides by d times the quantity 1 plus 3h over d. So that d times 1 plus 3h over d cancels on the right hand side. And then by distributive property, let us distribute d to the values inside the parentheses. That will be v squared. D times 1 is d. And d times 3h over d is 3h. That is equal to g. Hence, in the final answer, we have g is equal to v squared over d plus 3h. Number 5. What positive integral values of x satisfy 2x plus 3 is less than 12? By addition property of inequality, we can add negative 3 to both sides of the equation. Then we'll have 2x is less than 9. Now we can divide both sides by 2. X is less than 9 halves or 4.5. Hence, the positive integral values of x that satisfy the inequality is the set with elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more math contest drills for Filipino kids videos.